Hello. Now we are going to discuss the topic of first PUC, that is linear inequality. See, first we will try to understand what is the meaning of linear inequality. Linear means we know degree of that variable is equals to 1, highest degree is equals to 1. If term containing x square, then we will call it as a quadratic. X cube is there, then cubic equation. Like that, if it containing only x, see here power is 1, so it is a linear. Y, if you consider, that is also linear. Now what is the meaning of inequality? See students, what we will call for this? Equal to or equality. Not inequality means which is not equals to. See, instead of telling not equals to like this, not equal to means it may be less than, it may be greater than. Yes or no? So linear inequality means two variables, any two variables or any two real numbers related with the symbol less than, greater than, or less than or equals to, or greater than or equals to, it is called linear inequality. See here, any two real numbers or any two algebraic expressions related with this symbol. For example, x plus y is greater than 7. It is inequality or not, because this kind of symbol is available. X is greater than 8. This is also inequality or not? Or 8 is greater than 7. This is also inequality. So any two real numbers or any two algebraic expressions, if they are connected with any of this symbol, then that is called as linear inequality. So for example, we can say ax plus b greater than c. A, B, C are any real numbers, or ax plus b less than c, or ax plus b greater than or equals to c, or ax plus b less than or equals to c. So here see, symbols are there, this kind of symbols. So it is called linear inequality. Now students, here if you observe first two and next two, these two you observe, these two you observe. See here, just greater than is there, just less than is there. But in this case, greater than or equal to is there, less than or equals to is there. Students, whenever our expression containing greater than or less than, it is called as strict inequality. Which kind of inequality? Strict inequality. And expression is containing this type of symbol, it is called as slack inequality. One is strict inequality, one is slack inequality. Look here, y is greater than or equals to 8. It is a strict inequality or slack inequality? Which one? See, it containing greater than or equals to, no, therefore it is slack inequality. If suppose x is less than 10 if I take, then it is called strict inequality. Now one question will come in our mind, sir, what is the difference between strict inequality and slack inequality? Observe here. See, suppose this is the number line. Here 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. minus 1 minus 2 this side minus infinity. Suppose if I mention x is greater than 4. Sir, what is the meaning of this? And x is greater than or equals to 4. क्या डिफरेंस है स्ट्रिक्ट इनइक्वालिटी में और स्लैक इनइक्वालिटी में? इधर देखो, ध्यान से देखो. x is greater than 4 का मतलब x का वैल्यू 4 से बड़ा. Means x will not take 4 students. X should be greater than 4 means this all the numbers will come. Greater than 4. 4 will not come students. But immediately after 4 which number is there? That we have to consider, that is greater than 4. And same thing, sorry here 0 not mentioned. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2. Sir, how to denote x is greater than or equals to 4? देखो इधर ध्यान से 4 equal to they have given means 4 is included, including for all the numbers. Here excluding 4. So mathematically whenever inclusion will come, this kind of equality will come, we will show with the dark circle. Whenever strict inequality will come, we will show with the blank circle. See here, x is greater than 4 means 4 is not there. So at 4 blank circle, remaining all the numbers greater than 4. But here 4 is also included. So dark circle at 4, remaining it will be continued. I hope it is clear difference between greater than and greater than or equals to. Equals to का मतलब that number is included. Greater or lesser means apart from that number, ये number include नहीं है. May be greater than, may be less than. Students, greater than, less than symbol is there. This kind of interval we will use. If strict is there, this we will use. Meaning of this one is open interval. Meaning of this one is closed interval. Closed interval means end points are included. Open interval means end points are not included. See here. X greater than 4. If I want to represent x greater than 4 means all the numbers 4 से लेकर infinity तक. So we will write mathematically 4 to infinity. But 4 is included or not included? Not included means open bracket. Like this. Then this same 4 to infinity, but 4 is included or not? Included means closed bracket. Open bracket means all the values between 4 to 8, but 4 is not included. Closed bracket means all the values between 4 to infinity, but 4 is included. Is it clear? While solving the examples, you will get a clear idea. Now try to understand greater than or equals to, less than or equal to का बीच में क्या difference है. Understood? So now students, थोड़ा देखो इधर. I am going to discuss some of the rules of inequality. Inequality में थोड़ा rules रहता है, that we will discuss. Then we will start solving the examples. Rule number 1, students, whenever one inequality is there, if you add same number both side of the inequality, both the side, left side also, right side also, if you add any positive numbers or if you subtract with any positive number, inequality में कुछ भी change नहीं. Means the inequality does not change if you add same number on both side or if you subtract with the same positive number on both sides. Rule number 2, inequality will not change if you multiply same positive number on both sides. First two things you try to remember. First one, inequality will not change. When it will not change? If you add same number on both sides, positive number, or if you subtract same number on both sides. Rule number 2, inequality does not change. Inequality में change नहीं होता है when if you multiply same positive number on both sides. But third one, students, most important rule, देखो इधर, for the given inequality, whenever you will multiply minus sign on both sides, or if you multiply with negative number on both sides, inequality will change. देखो, suppose x is greater than 4 is there. If I multiply minus on both sides, minus x minus 4, inequality होता है उल्टा. So this is the very important rule. Whenever you will multiply with minus sign, or if you multiply with minus number, inequality ulta, it will change. Another one, students, whenever you will take the reciprocal, ulta you will take, inequality will change. For example, देखो, 2 is bigger than 1. Everybody knows this. 2 एक से बड़ा है. Now I will take reciprocal. क्या होता है reciprocal? 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 का reciprocal 1. Now tell me which is bigger? Which is bigger? 1 is bigger than half or not? So remember these two important rules. Only two you remember. Overs. Multiply minus sign or negative number, inequality change. If you take reciprocal, inequality ulta. Clear? So now I will solve the examples based on inequality. Look here. So first I am going to discuss here is, so here, okay, see, first kind of questions, so important questions. Solve the linear inequality and show the solution on number line. Number line में we have to show the solution. First question, 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Second question, 5x minus 3 greater than or equals to 3x minus 5. Third question, first I will write, then we will discuss. 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. Fourth one, 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. So I will try to cover all kind of questions. Just try to understand carefully. So important for 2 mark this kind of questions. देखो इधर ध्यान से everyone, what they are asking. First you have to solve the inequality, then you have to show the solution on the number line. See, whenever you want to solve any inequality, remember my method is take all x term left side, remaining all constant term right side. कौन सा x term है left side में, कौन सा constant है right side में. So tell me what you will get. 3x, 2x if I take this side, minus 2x less than 1 minus 2 if I shift there plus 2. Now is it possible to simplify or not possible? 3x minus 2x, x less than 3. So I got the answer x less than 3. So कैसा मार्क करने का नंबर लाइन में देखो, माइनस इन्फिनिटी प्लस इन्फिनिटी 0 1 2 3 4 so on minus 1 minus 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Look here, x is less than 3. 3 is included or excluded? Less than 3, equal to is not there na, so 3 is not included. I have told you, whenever it is not included, blank circle. Meaning of blank circle is 3 is not there. Less than 3 means this side, so like this if you mark, so that is the required answer. देखो कितना simple. Got it too, students? Understanding? Now same process, x term इधर, constant उधर. 5x minus 3x greater than or equals to minus 5 plus 3. कितना 5x minus 3x? 2x greater than or equals to minus 2. So x is greater than or equals to minus 2 divided by 2. Cancels. X is greater than or equals to minus 1. So x is greater than or equals to minus 1 कैसा मार्क करने का देखो, माइनस इन्फिनिटी प्लस इन्फिनिटी 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, greater than minus 1 means minus 1 से भी बड़ा, but minus 1 is included or not included? देखो, equal to is there means minus 1 also included, no? कैसा मार्क करने का? Dark circle, minus 1 included. Greater than means this side or not? Got difference between this and this? Here equal to is there, we have to include. Less than is there, we have to exclude. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Now सेम टास्क इधर देखो, फर्स्ट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 माइनस 3x लेस देन 2x प्लस 2 4 जा 8. सेम टास्क, x दिस साइड, कांस्टेंट दैट साइड. minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x less than 5. Students, one big mistake, don't please don't do that mistake, all of you. Whenever minus sign is there both side of the inequality, don't cancel. It is wrong in inequality. I will tell one example, so I will tell, but remember. And while shifting the numbers, don't shift negative numbers. Only minus sign you keep there, only positive number you shift करो. देखो, minus x less than 5 divided by 5. Don't touch for minus sign, otherwise you will end with the wrong answers. Got it? Got it? Now 5 cancels, minus x is less than 1. The problem is I want positive x. I got negative x. क्या करने का? Now to make it plus, see mistake don't do na. X is less than minus 1. No, it is not like inequality. Whenever you will in this situation, whenever minus x is there, to make it plus x, multiply minus on both sides. But according to our rule, if I multiply minus on both sides, क्या होता है? Inequality will ulta. So if I multiply minus on both sides, x is inequality will greater than minus 1. That is why I have told that rule is important. So now mark this. 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, infinity. So greater than minus 1 is not included. Open circle. खेल खत्म. Understood? Same. Can you try this? You people do this and let me know the answer in the comment box. Same answer, question, same process. So after solving first kind of examples, now I will move for second kind of examples. Say I am solving four questions on each type. So remaining you can go through my notes. Any problem, if you are not understanding, ask me, I will explain. Same process. So 3, 3, 4, 4 examples I am solving here. See, again we need to solve the inequality for real x. Students, remember real x means we have to solve for real numbers. So again process is same. 4x minus 5x is less than 7 minus 3. 4x minus 5x we know minus x less than 4. Again minus is there, I don't want minus, I want plus x. So multiply minus on both sides. So what you are going to get? X is greater than minus 4. See, we want answer in terms of real numbers. Okay, I will discuss, listen here. Suppose if they ask answer in terms of natural numbers. Natural numbers. See. X is greater than minus 4. कौन सा natural numbers are there? That is our answers. Greater than minus 4 कौन सा natural number is there? Greater than minus 4 means start with 1 only, no? So 1, 2, 3, so on. Suppose if they ask integers. So कौन सा integer है ये? minus 4 से भी बड़ा. Greater than minus 4 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, so on. If they ask natural number, if they ask integer, you people will mark like this. But students, they are asking answer for real numbers. See, natural numbers we can say after 1 which number will come, after 2 which number will come. Integers also we can say after 0 कौन सा integer है, before 0 कौन सा integer है. But there are infinitely real numbers are there. Not possible to mention after 1 which real number is there, before 1 which real number is there. That is why we will denote real numbers in intervals, not in the flower bracket. So कैसा denote करने का देखो. Already you people know number line में this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. So they have given minus 4. Greater than minus 4 means this side. So कैसा how to write real numbers? Look here. Greater than minus 4 means minus 4 is starting, ending is infinity. Infinity is always open because it is not a number, it is not included. 4 is included or excluded? Equal to is there means 4 is included. Strict inequality is there means minus 4 is not included. Whenever it is not included, open bracket. So this is real number notation. This is number line. So to write this, greater than minus 4 means minus 4 से लेकर infinity तक, but minus 4 is not included. देखो 3x minus 5x greater than minus 1 plus 7. How much it is? Minus 2x greater than 6. Don't shift negative numbers. Minus x as it is greater than 6 by 2. Minus x greater than 3. Now don't want minus. Multiply minus on both sides. Inequality ulta. X is less than minus 3. So less than minus 3 means कैसा लिखने का real numbers? If you don't know, थोड़ा number line का help ले लो. Minus infinity, plus infinity, minus 3 is there. Less than minus 3 means this side. So what is the answer? Always left say right you have to write. First left what is there that, then right. See here. Left minus 4, then right. Don't write here minus 3 to infinity. First left, which one? Minus infinity. Minus 3. Because minus 3 से छोटा. Minus 4, minus 5, up to all numbers will come or not. Not included. Open. Infinity is always open. This is just for your understanding purpose. In the exam, directly you write this. See, simple. Greater than minus 4 means minus 4 से बड़ा. कितना तक? Infinity. Minus 4, right? Then infinity. Infinity is always open. देखो minus 4 is included or not included. Less than minus 3. If it is minus 3 less than means this side. Up to minus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 3. Khatam. Look here. 4x minus 6x less than 7 minus 3. Minus 2x is less than 4. Minus x is less than 4 by 2. Minus x is less than 2 ones are 2 2s. Minus is there. I don't want multiply minus on both sides. So inequality will change. X is greater than minus 2. Which real numbers? Minus 2. Greater means this side. So minus 2 say infinity. Included or not included? Not included. Open. Simple. Understanding? Only simple thing. Included means close the bracket. Not included means open. Greater means right side you will go. Less means left side you will go. देखो another one I will solve. Because real number many students will get confusion. See. 3x minus 3 less than or equals to 2x minus 6. X this side. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. 3x minus 2x is x less than or equals to minus 3. Students देखो 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 x का वैल्यू minus 3 से भी less. Suppose it is minus 3. This side बड़ा, this side छोटा. means less means minus 3 say minus infinity, but always we will write left number first then right. So answer is minus infinity से minus 3. Infinity is always open. देखो minus 3 is included. Close the bracket. खेल खत्म. Simple or not? So another kind of questions I am going to solve now. Solve this inequality when x is an integer, means after solving x is integer, how many elements will satisfy that we have to write real number, just only I have discussed. First solve karo, x this side, number that side. 5x is less than 7, minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 5x is less than 7 plus 3 is 10, x is less than 10 by 5. So x is less than how much? So less than 2 कौन सा इंटीजर है, that is answer first one. Less than 2 means 1 will come, 0 will come. So how to write? 1 is there, 0 is there, minus 1 is there, so on. Got it? Because many numbers are there here, so on. So last 3 numbers we will write. Suppose this is greater than 2, then we have to start with here only 3, 4, so on. So now real numbers, what I have told, real numbers means less than 2. Suppose it is 2, less than 2 means this side. So what is this side? Minus infinity. Minus infinity say 2 tak. 2 is included or excluded, you decide. Minus infinity say 2. See, equal to is not there, open interval. 3x greater than 2 minus 8, 3x greater than minus 6, x greater than minus 6 by 3, x greater than minus 2. When integer, when real number, same task. minus 2 से बड़ा वाला कौन सा इंटीजर है? minus 2 से बड़ा minus 1 is there, 0, 1, so on. Real numbers, suppose minus 2 बड़ा this side, minus 2 से infinity. So strict inequality is there, not included. खत्म. देखो कितना simple answers. This one, minus 12x greater than 30. So minus x is greater than 30 divided by 12. So 30 divided by 12 means minus x is greater than 12 ones are 12 twos are 0.5. Okay, x minus x is greater than 2.5. But I don't want minus, multiply minus on both sides. X is less than minus 2.5. हाँ, कहानी में ट्विस्ट देखो, x का वैल्यू -2 से 0.5 से भी कम. Which natural number is there less than -2.5? Any natural number is there negative side में less than -2? Because natural number means starts with 1, no? So less than -2.5 they are asking, any number is available? No. So answer is no solution. Find no solution. No number is satisfying the condition. Then if it is an integer which is there less than -2.5, many are there, so on, -5, -4, -3. That is the required answers. Understood? Any doubts? Once again look at this. So can you solve next question? Can you solve this? Solve this and let me know your answer in the comment box. So students, all the variety of 3 different variety questions I have solved. How to solve number line, real number का, integer का, natural number का. So in the next video we will be continued with some word problems कैसा solve करने का. I hope it is clear. Again, if you are not understanding anything, please ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.